Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Ciara if you are new here. Today is going to be a lip swatch video. If you didn't see my previous video, I did do a collaboration with IL MAKIAGE. We came out with a really beautiful lipstick. They actually collaborated with 16 different influencers, and today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video showing you all the shades in the collection. Now this lipstick is absolutely beautiful, and I'm not just saying that because I made it, but I really do love a lot of these lipsticks. They look so pretty, so I'm so excited to finally swatch them and show you guys what they look like. I'm gonna keep this intro pretty quick so that we can just get right into the swatches, and then after I'm done swatching all of the lipsticks in the collection, I'll let you know which ones are my favorite and which ones I recommend.
I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you. But we're going through the same shit, just a different person. You keep me above the surface. It's hard, but I keep on learning from you. So uncertain. She left and I keep on searching, but I can tell there's someone hurting you too. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here through the night. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here. Stay until I'm fine. It's never real until you feel like she got someone new. It's hard to deal when someone else is loving her by you. And when you hold me this way, it just don't feel the same. I'm telling you it's better if we don't get attached, and when we're better we'll know it's time to move on to the next. Mama said when I was younger couldn't be alone. I still can't be alone, no. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here through the night. Lay me down slowly. Careful, I'm falling apart. Maybe just stay here. Stay until I'm fine. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you, baby. I don't think I'll ever fall in love with you.
You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be it. And all they do just tryna score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from
Alright, that's it for all 16 swatches of the Dirty Talk collection from IL MAKIAGE. How gorgeous were those? Those were so pretty. I loved every single one. So it was hard to choose my favorites. If any of these shades were named after you and you happen to see this video, I am so sorry in advance if I pronounce your name wrong. But my top 5 favorite shades would be Ariadna. I think that is what this one is. I'm not sure, but it is such a beautiful color. This is definitely one that I'm gonna be wearing consistently. It is so stunning, and it is just like a great shade for me. I also really like Diaz. That's like it was kind of a brick red, really gorgeous, super pigmented. I really loved this one. It's gonna be great for like around Christmas time when I'm not looking for like a deep red or like a bright red, more of a deep brick one. So I love this. And then I also liked Wani and Cami. These ones were gorgeous as well. Wani is definitely a shade that I like normally go to when I'm looking for a lipstick. And this one is really pretty, so I will be wearing this one a lot. And then Cami, I also loved this. This is like one of the lighter nude shades. I will wear this a lot. This is so gorgeous, and it's just absolutely stunning. And then of course my favorite lipstick from the whole collection would be the one that I have on right now, Ciara. Now I did go over the formula a little bit in my reveal video, but I will go over it a little bit more here just in case you haven't seen that video yet. Now these lipsticks are truly luxurious. They are so pigmented. I'm sure you can see from the swatches, like you get the pigmentation right off the bat. It is incredible. But they're also really nourishing and hydrating. So they're ultra creamy, they glide on really smooth, and they also just give your lips like great hydration throughout the day when you're wearing it. It's not like a liquid lipstick where the longer you have it on, like the drier your lips feel. This actually pumps in that hydration and you can feel it. I mean, I just did 16 lip swatches of all those lipsticks, and even though my lips are definitely feeling it, they still feel really hydrated and nourished. So the price point is $26 a lipstick, and I will admit that is pretty high for a lipstick. That's definitely one of the higher prices that I would pay. I know the Huda Beauty ones go for $25, I think, so $26 is just $1 more, but I will say these are 100% worth it. And I'm not just saying that because I had a lipstick named after me. It is so creamy, so great. It's just a really great lipstick, and I would highly recommend getting one. If you do happen to purchase a Ciara lipstick and you are on Instagram, make sure to tag me in all of your looks wearing my lipstick, because here at the end of the year, or maybe in January, just to give people enough time, I'm going to be giving away a special something to one of you that have posted a picture wearing my lipstick, just as appreciation and a thank you for supporting me and my page. If anybody has any questions about the lipstick line or just anything that I didn't forget to go over in the video, make sure to let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to answer them. And of course, definitely let me know what your guys' favorite shades are. I'm curious to see what your taste is and which ones you liked best. Also, if you haven't already, make sure to go check out my other social media accounts. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it and press the subscribe button down below. I would really love to have you as part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.
Mona Lisa, everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand.